Welcome to Panomio, the powerful e-learning platform that allows you to create immersive courses with 360-degree images and export them in industry-standard formats. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the core features and how to get started in creating an engaging learning experience for your students. In Panomio, images are essential to recreate a real-life environment for immersive learning. These images are called scenes. You can upload 360-degree images or regular images, depending on your needs. To get the most out of Panomio, we recommend using high-resolution images, as they provide a more immersive experience. Panomio offers 3 lesson types to deliver your training content: linear flow, hotspot map, and quiz. Based on your needs, you can use one or a combination of these lesson types to create a comprehensive course. Hotspot Map allows learners to explore content freely and is designed for environment familiarization. Use Hotspot Map to instruct learners about the location of safety equipment or to deliver an interactive onboarding experience. To create a hotspot map, click Add New, choose Hotspot Map, and then add New Hotspot. Choose whether you want the hotspot to be a single point icon or an area that you can draw out. Don't worry, you can always modify these later. Now click on the scene to locate the hotspot. Click Done. And now you can create the learning content for the hotspot. Choose the layout and select desired widgets. Linear flow guides learners through step-by-step instructions in a specific order. You can still place the hotspots on your scene as in the hotspot map, but with linear flow, you create a guided experience and give those hotspots an order. Use linear flow to teach procedures, guide learners through specific actions or environments, or to create slide-based content. To create a linear flow lesson, click on Add New, choose Linear Flow, and then Add New Step. This creates a new blank step for you to add learning content. If you wish to place the step on a scene, click Add Hotspot and choose between Text Hotspot and Hotspot Area. Set the position of the hotspot and click Done. If you wish to display full screen content, click the Expand Window button. Otherwise, the learner sees the content docked to the side of the screen, with the scene visible in the background. Quiz lessons test learners' knowledge and allow them to practice procedures and scenarios. Quiz questions are created just like any other content in Panomio, using widgets. The difference is that the interactive question, widgets, and quiz are tracked, and you can control the passing score of the lesson. To complete the quiz, learners must complete all quiz questions and pass with the required passing score. Quiz consists of 2 core features: question and hidden area. Both question and hidden area are created within the quiz lesson and are tracked by the LMS once exported. To create a question, add a new question, choose a layout, and add an interactive widget. Use Hidden Area to seamlessly create a quiz to test the recall of multi-step procedures. The learner must locate the steps in the correct order on the first try in order to pass this question. Now that you've learned the basics of Panomio, you're ready to create immersive e-learning courses that engage and empower your learners. Remember to check out our documentation to learn more about advanced features and tips and tricks to improve your courses as you dive into the world of Panomio-powered e-learning. Remember that the sky's the limit. Embrace your creativity and let's transform education together.